In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from the Tango app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to open up your Tango app and sign into your account. Now, once we've done that, we want to click onto our user profile in the top left-hand corner of the page. And now scroll down here, and then under Creator Tools, there's going to be a section that says Get Money or something similar. And then on the next page, you need to go ahead and add a withdrawal method if you haven't. So tap Add Withdrawal Method, choose your preferred payout method. So this can be Visa card, virtual MasterCard, crypto wallet, bank transfer, etc. And once your payout method is connected, you can request a withdrawal. So in Get Money, select the link payout method, and then input the amount you want to withdraw and confirm. So for countries, it's simply tap Get Money or Get Money page. Now wait for processing. The time depends on the method plus country. For example, some methods show 24 hours, others can show up to 3 days. Now there is a minimum withdrawal limit. So your first withdrawal must be at least $15. And this is US, and then all subsequent withdrawals must be at least $25 US. Now this might vary depending what country you're in, but that's around the ballpark figure.